You're listening to the WBT Podcast with Michael Lodge. Listen to all of our podcasts at www.wbtpod.com. Stay informed. Let's get started.
This is brought to you by Lodge & Co., a business and tax advisory firm where your success is our goal. Call us today toll-free at 888-681-1518 or visit us at www.lodge-co.com and learn more about what we can do for you. Lodge & Co., your source for sound business and tax services.
And welcome to the WBT. This is Michael Lodge. Okay, so the storm came to South Carolina, and where I live, all we got was drizzle. No winds, no nothing, just drizzle. And right now, at this time in the morning, it's now 10:30 a.m. in the morning here, and the sun is out. Beautiful, sunny, blue sky day. So we got completely missed by the hurricane and the tropical storm, and I'm very thankful for that because I tell you, when it rains hard, and it comes down in buckets. Not like in California. We look for rain, and we longing for rain there. But here, it's almost every single day, so the ground is always wet. Always the grass is green. I never have to water my lawn here like I do in California. So, anyway, the storm's done with here in my part of South Carolina. In fact, if you look at the weather map, all of South Carolina is pretty much clear today. There's just a few scattered clouds, and that's about it. Still rain going on up in North Carolina, and I feel sorry for them because they got hit very bad, and they have flooding and everything else. But here in this part of South Carolina, we barely even got hit. So what am I talking about today? Well, it's about year-end. And we call it year-end closing because you only have 3 more months until the end of the year. The end of the year is really vital for small businesses because that is the time that you have to make sure that your financial statements are clean. What? You're asking yourself? Listen, small businesses are notorious for waiting until the very last minute to even do anything about their financial statements. So I'm suggesting to you, well, I'm kind of demanding of you, is that you need to be proactive and start working on your financial statements now. Now, thinking about your financial statements does not mean that, yeah, I know how much income I came in and I know what my expenses are, but there's a whole bunch more to preparing a financial statement. For one thing, you've got to reconcile between your bank statements and what your real accounting is. So you have got to go through every single bank statement and make sure that it ties to your financial statements and whatever has not cleared the bank. So if you have not done that from January until now, which I find most small businesses don't do, you better start doing it. So you'd better call our office at 888-681-1518, extension 0. And we need to start talking about getting your financials clean. Listen, the financial statement is what tells the story of your company, right? It gives you the kind of like the scorecard of your income and your expenses, getting down to your net income to see how much money you actually made. But it also tells the story on your balance sheet of how much cash you have, how much accounts payable is sitting out there. Have you collected all of your receivables? It tells the story of what you need to do. And if you've got a bunch of receivables sitting there, you better start attacking that because you don't want that cash to go away. That's cash in the bank if you can get it. So there's a whole bunch of things that you need to do as a small business to get your financial statements clean. I talk about this about once every quarter.
This is brought to you by Lodge & Co., a business and tax advisory firm where your success is our goal. Call us today toll-free at 888-681-1518 or visit us at www.lodge-co.com and learn more about what we can do for you. Lodge & Co., your source for sound business and tax services.
Thank you for listening to the WBT with Michael Lodge. Join us again tomorrow as we explore more about business and taxes. Follow us on iHeartRadio and go to our podcast website at www.wbtpod.com and listen to all of our podcasts and read our blogs.
World of Business and Taxes on Double